champions, welcome to the Banzu class. I hope you all are doing great and are super excited for this session, right? So let's quickly begin the session. So students, today's session is very important because in today's session, we are going to practice a lot of questions from chapter Exponent and Powers. As you know that we are done with the chapter, so today we will practice a lot of questions from all the topics that we have covered. All right, so let's begin with it. So students, you have to pause your video before every question and try solving it on your own. All right, let's start it. So question number 1 says, express in exponential form. So we are given a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. We have a into a into a. So this can be written as a raised to the power 3. C into C into C into C can be written as C raised to the power 4, right? And D. In multiplication, we have D. So it will be written as A cube C4D. All right? So this is our answer. A raised to the power 3, C raised to the power 4 times D. Let us see the next question here. Express in exponential notation. So here we have this number 729. So we know that 9 ka cube, that is 9 into 9 into 9, that is 81 into 9 is equals to 729. So it means 729 can be written as the cube of 9. Now 9 we can break this further as the square of 3. So it will be written as 3 into 3. Similarly 3 into 3 and then again 3 into 3. So how many times we are multiplying 3? 6 times. So it will be written as 3 raised to the power 6. Alright? Great. Let us see the next question. Compare the following numbers. So here we are given two huge numbers and they are written in the exponential form. Right? And we have to compare this. So let us first expand these. So 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 12 will be written as 27 and then 11 zeros, right? So let's write it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Such a huge number, right? And the next number is 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 8. So it will be 1, 5 and then we'll have 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So students, you can clearly see this number 1 is greater than this number 2. Alright. So we will say 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 12 is greater than 5.1 into 10 raised to the power 8. So this will be the greater number here and this will be the smaller number here. Alright. Great. Let us see the next question. Simplify the following. So here we are given some questions. Let us start with the first one. A raised to the power 4 into B raised to the power 4. So we will use this law that when we are multiplying different bases with same exponent, we can write it as A into B whole raised to the power 4. That is AB raised to the power 4. Right? Okay. Let us see the next question here. 5 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. So taking power of n power, what we will do? Multiplication. So it will become 5 raised to the power 3 into 2. Then we have to divide this by 5 raised to the power 3. So we will use this law that on the same base on dividing, we will subtract the exponent. So it will become 5 raised to the power 6 minus 3. So what will be your answer? 5 raised to the power 3 and this is nothing but 125. Alright? Great. Now let us see the next part of it. 2 raised to the power 8 into a raised to the power 5 divided by 4 raised to the power 3 into a raised to the power 3. So can I write 4 raised to the power 3 as 2 ka square and then whole power 3? Right? Because 4 is what? 2 ka square is 4. Right? Now this will become 2 raised to the power 6 using the law. Right? So we have 2 raised to the power 8 here and then divided by 2 raised to the power 6. And on the same base, on dividing, we will subtract the exponent. So it will become 2 raised to the power 8 minus 6 into a raised to the power 5 minus 3. So what will be your answer? 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4a square. Alright. So this we will get on simplifying this. Let us move to the next question now. Express each of the following as the product of prime factors only in exponential form. So first is 108. So students, let us break this number first. 108 can be written as 2 into 54, which will be written as 2 into 27. And 27 is nothing but it is cube of 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Alright. So how we will express this number 108 in the exponential form? It will be written as 2 square multiplied by 3 cube. Alright. Now similarly, let us break this number 192. Okay. So this will be written as 2 into 96. Right. Which will be further written as 2 into 48. Then 2 into 24. Then 2 into 12. Then 2 into 6 and then 2 into 3. So how many times 2 is appearing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3 is coming one time. So we can write this number 192 as 2 raised to the power 6 into 3 raised to the power 1. And these two numbers are multiplying here. 108 is multiplied by 192. So further we can reduce this expression and we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2 plus 6, that will be 8. So it will be 2 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 3 plus 1. This will give us the answer 4. So using the laws of exponent, we can further write it as 2 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 4. Alright. Let us see the second part of it, 270. So students, 270, we can break this number as 27 into 10, right? 27 is nothing but 3 cube. Right now we saw that 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So I can write it as the cube of 3. Now 10 we will break it as 2 into 5. Okay. So this is how we will write this. It means we can arrange it further. 2 raised to the power 1 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 1. Let us see the next question now. Find the number from the expanded form. So we have to form the number here. Okay. So what is 10 raised to the power 4? It is nothing but 10,000. So 3 into 10,000 will give us 30,000. Alright. Plus. Now students, you can see that nothing is given to us in thousands place. So it means we have to multiply this 0 with 10 raised to the power 3. So it means we'll write 0 at the thousands place. Now at the hundreds place, we are given 7 into 10 raised to the power 2. That will be 700. Then again, at the tens place, we are not given any number. So we'll write 0. And at the ones place, you can see that 10 raised to the power 0 is nothing but equals to 1. And 1 into 5 will give you the number 5 itself. So at the ones place, we will write the number 5. Okay. Now on adding this number, what we will get? 30,705. So this is our answer here. Alright, the number is 30,705. The next question says, find the number in the standard form. The earth has 1,353,000,000 cubic kilometer of seawater. So how we will represent it in the standard form? The standard form is a into 10 raised to the power n, where a is any number between 1 to 10, right? 10 is the base here and n is the integer here. So we have to express this as 1.353. We have to place the decimal here. So this will be written as 1.353 into 10 raised to the power 9. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. So this is how we will express this number in the standard form. Alright? Great. So that's all from today's class, students. Thank you so much for joining the session. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, and spark your curiosity. Bye bye.